All right, what's up guys? Carl's Garage Back is here with my dad, and we're gonna be replacing these rear door struts because as you can see, he's having to hold up his rear door. So all the tools you're gonna need is you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. I got 2, and then maybe some pliers, but all you really need is a flathead screwdriver. So let's get started. All right, so first, as you can see on the top and the bottom here, we have these metal pieces that we need to pop out. Get in the middle there and just pry it up like that. And then see, slides out easy. This one comes out too. And as you can tell already, this already compresses. So this was most likely the bad strut in the back. As with the new ones, you try to push them down and they don't go. So with the new strut ready to go, all you have to do is you have to use your flathead screwdriver, pry open these metal clamps, but don't take them off all the way. So you're gonna pry it up exactly like that. So once you pry it open, you can slip in the ball and then lock it in place. So do that to both sides. All you have to do is just slide that into the hole, pop it in place, and then with the screwdriver, just try to push the metal thing back down.
Nope, 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 nope.
Okay, there you go, like that. Now it's stuck in place. So now you can see that's in place. We did both sides, and now the trunk stays open.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It won't close up.
All right, so that's how you change the rear door struts on a Kia Sorento 2008. Like and subscribe for more.